These natural home remedies can help you stop sneezing. Sneezing can be sometimes very annoying, and especially when it is lasting for more than a minute. Not only sneezing is annoying, it involuntarily hinders working function of other body parts. Sneezing that lasts longer is what troubles the most. What if we tell you that you can stop sneezing very easily with some home remedies? Yes, we are not kidding. Here are some simple and easy home remedies that can help you stop sneezing within seconds. Black cardamom. An Indian aromatic spice, black cardamom can instantly help you get rid of sneezing instantly. Just chew 2 to 3 cardamoms a day and keep sneezing at bay. How it works? It regulates the mucus flow in the nasal cavity and prevents sneezing. Citrus fruits. Flavonoids present in citrus fruits like lemons and orange are very powerful antioxidant that builds and boosts the immune system. And one of the many causes of sneezing could be bacteria and allergies. Consumption of orange. Lemons and grapefruits will allow one to fight against the bacteria and prevent allergies. Ginger. The antibacterial properties of ginger can help you get rid of the problem of sneezing. You can chew on pieces of raw ginger, or you can grate them and add some honey in it for some taste. Have this every night while sleeping for better results. Tulsi. We all are very well aware of the health benefits that tulsi has. Boil some tulsi leaves in some water and drink before bedtime, and you will be able to notice the difference. Amla. A great source of antioxidants, amla has antibacterial properties, which boosts immunity. You can either have it raw or you can extract amla juice and drink it to get relief from sneezing. You can add some honey to cure sinus problem.